If you are using Davinci Resolve's render cache, currently it is disabled, it's set to none, then your C drive might run out of disk space. Currently I have 0 bytes free on the C drive, and that's because the render cache, which is disabled, is storing its folders in the video folder, which is here. More exactly at that path, C drive users folder, your username and videos folder. And is this one is cache clip, which is 100 something gigabytes. So if you already disabled the render cache, then don't forget to delete this folder also. Permanently delete it because it's too big. I should have pushed shift and delete here. So hold down the shift key and then press the delete. And now the free space on the C drive should get larger. That's the free space, the white one. So if you are using Davinci Resolve's render cache here at playback, then don't be amazed if you run out of free space on your C drive.